time to strap ourselves in, fasten our seat belts and prepare for a bouncy, noisy ride. We have to get to Alimos Marina today, and for the first part of the trip the wind is virtually on the nose, so we're going to be under engine. We might be able to get some sail up once we get round to the north end of the island, we'll see. The wind's blowing about force 6, it's not going to be the most comfortable of journeys today. I'd hoped we might have found some protection being in the lee of the island for this first part of the journey, but no chance. The island seems to be just causing the wind to bend round a little bit. It's bang on the nose. Well, we've got another problem now. The mainsail's jammed in the mast. We can't get it out. And with just a bit of head sail out, the wind keeps pushing the bow of the boat out towards the coast of Aegina. We're going to have to watch that now, otherwise we're going to end up on a lee shore as a shipwreck. We'll have to roll away most of the head sail and keep some engine power on. It's the only way we can make some progress in the right direction. Well, there's another issue now. These are quite big waves we're dealing with at the moment, and we're finding that as we maintain our course for Alimos, the boat keeps on hitting a large wave which brings it to a complete standstill. We're going to bear away a little bit so the boat hits the waves at a different angle. That will at least enable us to keep up a steady speed. Oh, we've got everything under a bit better control now. This is a lot more comfortable. And we are maintaining a steady speed. On this new course, it now looks as though we're heading for the bay at Glyfada. Our plan now is to anchor there, take a little bit of a break from this strong wind, then we'll sail up the coast to Alimos. We might get a little bit of protection from being in the lee of the mainland too. Well, we've anchored. This is the bay at Glyfada, and it is giving us some good protection against this north wind. But we've been here an hour now, and we're going to get straight off on our way again. Well, we got into Alimos last night, no problem. And today, after a coffee on the beachside cafe, we are off to see the Acropolis. Well, you can't come to Athens and not go to see the Acropolis. But before that, a bus tour to see something of the city. The Acropolis is an ancient citadel built to protect against attack. most well recognised building of the Acropolis is the Parthenon. It is an ancient temple. Well, that's just about it for this trip. I hope you've enjoyed following it with me. But where am I going to sail to next? There's only one way to find out.